Hi my darlings, so today I'm going to show you how you can curl or put curls or do perm rods on your natural hair that is not relaxed. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to spray my hair with the leave-in conditioner just to give my hair some moisture and also to make my hair detangled, not so hard to comb, and also it is gonna help you with the whole process of curling your natural hair, especially if your hair is type C, 4C natural hair. So I make sure I get moisture all through my hair and then I run it through with my fingers like that, and then I'm gonna use that comb to comb through. I'll start combing like that just to make sure my hair is fully detangled before I start the whole process. And the leave-in conditioner that I used Moisture Miracle from African Pride, but you can use any leave-in conditioner that you can have access with. So I'm cutting my hair in small partitions like you can see, and after that I'm going to use a curling cream to curl my hair. This product is very good if you have natural hair and you want to put some curls. It moisturizes and defines your hair. It's Moisture Miracle curling cream from African Pride. You can use any curling cream that you can get hold on. So I'm gonna use just a small amount. This product smells very good. And it's really it's not sticky and it smells very good. Make sure you apply a desired amount to your hair and run it through from the root of your hair to the tip of your hair. And then I'm gonna do a 2-strand twist, as you can see, and then I'm just gonna do that 2-strand twist before I go on and put a perm rod. You just do a normal 2-strand twist. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just do a 2-strand twist, and then after that you can use perm rods of your choice. If you don't have perm rods, you can even use straws and some bobby pins to do this process in case you don't have perm rods. And you can use any kind of perm rods as long as they work. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna do that. That's my 2-strand twist, and that's what I have. And then I'm gonna use those curling perm rods, and then I'm gonna wrap it around like that. I'm wrapping it around, and then I'm gonna twist it up. I'm wrapping it up, and then I secure it with that rubber band it comes with. You can use any perm rods that you can get hold on. So that's what I'm doing, and I hope this style will make you have the best look. It's just a trying and error. Just try anything. You can try to find some things. If you don't have what I'm using, try using things that they look similar. For example, as I told you, if you don't have perm rods, you can use straws with bobby pins, and then you do the same process and you're gonna get the same results, sweethearts. Just make sure you have the product curling cream. You can use any curling cream that you can get, and then yeah. So I'm gonna do the same process to the full head, and then after that we're gonna go to the next step. So that's what I'm doing, and that's what we're gonna do to achieve this beautiful style. My hair is not relaxed. My hair is natural 4C hair type. So I'm gonna go through with the same process until I finish everything, as you can see. And then from there, that's the last one I'm finishing up, and then after that we're gonna go to the next step, sweethearts, and then you will see how you'll be able to achieve this style and many more. And then if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'm new here. This is my English channel, and I have another channel which goes by vivianaTZ. That's my Swahili channel. Every tutorial goes in Swahili, but this one is an English version. So welcome to the family, and please subscribe. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like, it helps you and help me to share with others. Welcome to my family. Join this beauty family. Let's go through this together. So I tied my hair and I just went to bed, and this is the next day. You can see I did my makeup. I made sure the hair dried very well. So you make sure the hair is dry, completely dry. I just left it to air dry. So then I'm using that Black Castor Miracle oil to just go through my scalp, and also to just rub on the hair to give the hair some moisture and to make it shine and look healthy and beautiful. You can see the curls are popping, like you can see, sweethearts. So I'm just going to unravel the hair slowly, and then I use the oil just to rub through and then to just detach the hair like that. I'm wrapping it around my finger just to make sure the curls are not destroyed. So that's what I'm doing. I'm separating the curls, a 2-strand twist, and then I'll separate again the curls to give my hair some volume, as you can see. And then I'm using oil so that my hair is nice and shiny. Yes, but don't use too much oil, because then you're just gonna end up being greasy and all that. But yeah, that's what I'm doing, and I make sure I supply the desired amount of oil just to give my hair some moisture to make it shine. Yeah, and then after that I'll just use a comb, a wide tooth comb, just to pick up the curls to give my hair more volume, but don't destroy the curls. You can just see how the curls are popping, sweetheart. I am very, very happy with the results. I'm very satisfied, and this is the final look, guys. I hope you have enjoyed, and I hope you will try this style. Please be free to share this video, give this video a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.